Okay, guys, so listen, don't mind the bumpiness, okay, guys, sorry. But I'm headed to the meet with this individual for 2 iPhone 14 Pro Maxes, unlocked 128. What kind of phone you got, 13 or 14?
13 Pro Max.
13. Okay, so what we're going to do is meet inside the bank because this is the hood. I gotta meet them in the bank. I won't meet them somewhere not secure. The reason I'm telling you guys this is because you're gonna get a lot of individuals trying to tell you, you know, meet them on street corners and stuff. Don't do that. This person also is sort of kind of, not sketchy, but, you know, wasn't really making too much sense when it comes to the fact that I literally was online this morning and offered this person something. They said no. And I told you guys they will hit me up later, and this was the exact person. So if you don't like watch my lives in the morning, watch them. And now it's more so about converting and turning this into a sale. So I'll be making a total of around $200 from buying these phones. But again, I don't count my ducks till they hatch. I think that's the same, or something like that. So we are just going to wait and see, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This thing is really rumbling. Okay guys, so I just left the bank. I just got the 2 phones. So that's good. We just got 2 unlocked 14 Pro Maxes. So now we are off to get the kids. Okay, so as you guys just saw, I just got the deal done. I ain't gonna lie, these are really, really good quality. Real good quality actually. So I got these for $6. So I don't know. I think I am gonna list these up on OfferUp. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna list these up on OfferUp because I want to sell these immediately. And again, guys, easy way to flip your money. Okay, really easy way to flip your money. Phone flipping is easy. It's just you got to set yourself up for success. This bank had metal detectors. You had to get wound down when you came in. So it's very secure. So once I walked in there, I'm like, all right, I'm good, I'm safe. I pulled my money right out. You know what I mean? Pulled the money right out. And they started to reset the phones. But see, here's the thing. When they reset the phones, I always put my hotspot on and then I try and activate it again, because you never know if the iCloud is truly off. All right, but yeah, y'all, so that was that, and deal done, deal closed. Got 2 deals done in less than an hour, honestly. Now it's about getting the kids and all that other stuff, you know, all the stuff that, you know, parents and adults have to do, I guess. All right. What's up, y'all? So I am about to drop off some Apple Watch Ultras. Today I'm talking about us getting Apple Watch Ultras, okay? These are so profitable. When I say they're so profitable if you get them at the right price point. But again, you have to make sure that you're getting them at the right price point. The price I'd rather buy an Ultra for is around $550, $580. I'm making $790 from them. And that sounds crazy because it seems like a couple months ago when I was making videos saying I would never, or I do not buy Apple Watches. Now, one thing I will say, I do not buy Apple Watches that are not in the box. Like, they have to be in the box in order for me to buy them, sealed. This one is an open box because the guy that I brought this from is my wholesale seller, which means he's somebody that sells me phones on a consistent basis. But he, I guess, had a slip up and somebody he knew opened the watch, which I hope it doesn't cost me money. I'm actually en route to a buyer now. So I will let you guys know if the buyer actually deducts prices. Now, we're gonna talk more about the Apple Watch, but I wanna show you guys something else. I have about 13 of these, which are unlocked iPhone 14s, okay? And I have them all sealed in sandwich bags because I don't have enough bubble wrap. Now, one thing I want to say about unlocked iPhone 14 Pro Maxes, these are unlocked iPhone 14 Pro Maxes 128, and they are getting me around $700 from a buyer, and I'm paying $600 for them. So, but I know people in our Discord that's getting them for less than that. They're getting them for like $550, I believe he said, $550, $560. That's a great price. It just happens in my area. They're I ain't gonna lie, they tripping with the price, okay? And that is sort of kind of how you'll have to adapt when it comes to phone flipping. Phone flipping is very, very depending on your area, because you can have a great device that is worth a lot of money, but you also have to match the value with the area value, or the way that they're being sold in your area. The more devices being sold in your area of the same model, the least you're going to have to pay, but it goes the other way as well. If people aren't really selling iPhone 14 Pro Maxes, you'll come up with a better deal. So you just want to make sure that you're vigilant of that and you're making it make sense. It always has to make sense, especially for me. It always got to make sense. This is a Sunday. I'm ready to go see the Eagles play. But instead, before I do that, I got up, y'all, and I started to hustle and grind, hit the streets to meet with buyers. Now, this is something you can take part of with the Phone Flipping Buyers price list, of course. You get the price list. It's 25 buyers internationally that you're connected with from one price list. And the price list does not tell you, hey, you're going to get X amount. Instead, the price list tells you what the market value is. Once you then get the price list, which is on I'm Hustler's Mindset, you get the option to actually send over a spreadsheet of the devices that you do have. And then what the buyers do is they bid on those devices, and they will then from there go ahead and send you offers. Now, I see, again, guys, if you haven't already, I see a lot of people getting into the Discord. Make sure you're doing the same thing, because the Discord is doing wonders. I don't see this buyer, y'all. It is doing wonders, but I see, right? A lot of people are starting to try and come in and spy on us, because I feel like a lot of people, they are at the point to where we're one of the best phone flipping communities, in my opinion. Like, I feel like we're bringing off the best results. I'm getting people paid. I'm getting people money. People are being very, very well taught, and they are getting to the point to where they're able to not need me. And that's my point. And I think with a lot of other phone flippers, they try to make you need them. And that's not me. I don't want you to need me. But hold on, y'all. 1 second. We better go talk to this buyer real quick. Yeah, that's why. Because it only gave me the eSIM. Hold on. How much? 280. So, guys, the good news is that we ended up getting the transaction done to where we don't have to worry about the Galaxy Watch being used, which is really, really good, because no matter what, I told him it was open box, and he just let it go. So I got the full price for that. I thought I wasn't going to, which, again, that all goes to my buyer, man. My seller. Sorry, I'm doing a lot, but my seller should never have gave me a phone that, or a watch, any type of device that is open. Like, I hate open devices. So when I get home, I'll finish this video up where I can sit down and talk to you guys. But as y'all see, when I'm in the motion, and I'm always observant, because I got a lot of money on me right now. So I'm at the ATM about to put it in.